Let's face it, Amazon FBA online arbitrage is harder than it has ever been today. Brands are being closed. You cannot sell a lot of the brands that you were able to sell last year. More and more people are telling you online on places like Reddit and stuff that it's just not as easy as it was. And you have old gurus actually coming up right here on YouTube and telling you that they're giving up on the business because it's just not the same. You cannot just make the same amount of money and it's really hard to actually get going. It's just not the same anymore. So what I want to do in this video is give you a clear picture of what is going on. Actually answer the question. Is Amazon FBA online arbitrage still a business that you should look into in 2020? And, just point you toward the right direction and give you information from somebody that is actually doing it. Because there's a lot of those people online today that are talking about it or selling course about it, but are not actively selling, right? So that's what we are going to do today. Now, if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I'm making videos here on YouTube to help you with your business. So if you are new, you should subscribe and like this video. Now, as I said, we've seen a lot of gurus just giving up, right? That I actually warned you guys about that for years now, right? So I've been saying it, especially during the pandemic. Any fucking dumbass with 2 brain cells could actually make money with this business model. It was really easy to actually find a product and double your money and do it consistent. No, people have caught up, right? It's not as easy to actually find flips, and you actually need to think a little bit further and actually come up with better strategies. And I want to emphasize the fact that this is something I've warned you about. And the reason your business is dying today is because you haven't built a real system inside your business. You were taking that just like a side hustle, which is 100% fine. But the truth is that with anything that you do in life that is worth doing, you actually need to do it seriously, right? And a lot of you guys and a lot of people were just relying on the fact that it was super easy to actually get going. It was super easy to actually find good flips really, really fast and actually make money fast, and just sit on that and never try to improve their skills. And I'm going to tell you, on Amazon, we've seen this over and over again, which is why if you go on the Amazon Seller Forum, you're going to see a lot of people complaining about the state of Amazon, and you'll see that years after years after years. If you actually go back to posts from when I actually started around 2018, 2019, right, there were already people saying that Amazon was not a profitable business anymore, that it was not possible to actually get going, that it was just not the same. And that you'll notice that in any industry, there's those wave of people coming that are chasing all the old people that were doing it and that refused to actually evolve. The issue with the space right now is that we have a ton of people that are just refusing to evolve. They are refusing to use new tools. They are refusing to deepen their knowledge, deepen their strategy. All of these people are going to be replaced and going to be put out of business by the people that are using the new tools, the people that are using the new strategies. And it's going to be the same for all the tools that you were using that refuse to actually give you what they were supposed to give you, right? And I've been super critical of all of the tools that people promote for online arbitrage and that they keep promoting because they just pay the biggest affiliate commission, right? I've been super critical of that. And that's the reason why you're stuck, because you refuse to actually dive yourself into what's working, what's not working. You refuse to actually look into how to actually use everything that's coming right now, like AI, for example, and actually apply it in your business to make yourself more competitive, to make your business more efficient, to make more money, to reduce the amount of time that you put into it, and to just build a real system in your business. That it's not just like during the pandemic anymore. You cannot just go into any random store, scan 10 products, and from these 10 products, find one product that you're going to be able to sell for 3 times the price. Right? It's just not the case anymore. It's the same for stores like Ross, stores like TJ Maxx. As a new seller, you cannot just go into these stores anymore, scan random products and go back as a new seller with a cart full of products, right? Why? Because you're going to be restricted in a lot of these brands that are coming up, and sellers that have been selling for a while can actually sell those brands, right? So the strategies that you've been told, the strategies that people have been pushing, right, are probably not working for you anymore. And it is what it is. You need to keep digging and find the new strategies, like the strategies that I actually share on this YouTube channel. And I'll tell you straight up, it's not going to be easy, but you need to choose your heart. Either you're going to keep grinding on whatever you're doing right now, right? Being depressed, not being able to actually like have any perspective of wealth in the future, or you actually need to go and build something and actually like focus on something for a little while, be actually willing to realize, hey, I don't understand these things. There's a lot of things that I need to learn. I don't know shit. I'm going to need to put my head down and work on that to actually be able to grow this business and become one of the best at what I'm doing. The truth is that not too long ago, you were still able to be mediocre at this business model and actually make a ton of money. It's not the case anymore. And all the mediocre people are dropping out. Which is, and that's the bright side that I want to touch on today, which is the reason why, if you're a new seller, you should actually be excited. You should be excited because if you're willing to put in a tiny bit of work, and I'm not even saying that you need to put in a ton of work, right? If you're willing to put in a tiny bit of work and try to think creatively, right, and apply new strategies, you're going to wipe out all the old competition, and all these guys are going to be seen crying on the Amazon Seller Forum, crying about how Amazon has changed and there's no way to make money, all that stuff, while you will actually be loafing to the bank and actually making a ton of money because you were willing to actually improve. We've seen it over and over again. For years, we've seen these waves and people were put out of business because they refused to think that there were new strategies that were working. They decided to stay stuck in the same strategies that they've been doing since 2010 that are not working anymore, and that made them a little bit of money back then because it was super easy, but that are not working today, and because of that they're just saying that this business model just doesn't work anymore. It does, okay? It does, and it's still an amazing opportunity, especially with everything that's coming up right now. I'll tell you, all the Amazon sellers, right, and I talk to a lot of Amazon sellers, none of them, like literally nobody, is really using 10% of the power of AI in their business. Well, there's so much stuff that you can do, and I've shared a couple of things in the past, but I'll make some videos in the next coming days to show you how me and my students are using AI in our business to actually make a lot of money with Amazon and actually make our business way more efficient. All right? So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. If you actually want to join my mentorship program, there's a link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for